until that gazette comes out.
The Independent Electoral and Boundaries Commission IEBC has pronounced itself on the controversy surrounding the manual and electronic voter register ahead of the August elections.
They must have a manual register along with biometric identification of the voters on that polling day. Kala hiyo hakuna uchaguzi.
The IEBC saying the electronic voter register is the primary register as ruled by the Supreme Court in 2017.
If your fingers cannot identify you, we will use your ID card to search for your details. If you are in the register, in the digital register, you will vote.
The Azimio coalition is insisting that the manual register must be used alongside the electronic register. On the other hand, the Kenya Kwanza Alliance is siding with the electronic register, saying the manual register could be used to steal elections.
We proceed to print the register, but we await the outcome of the court as to the way forward on the matter of physical register versus the digital register.
I think we are getting more confused. That's the primary mode. That's what we discussed at Windsor. The primary mode of identification will be through the KIEMS kit, so that people don't go to the stations on 9th of August thinking that they are going to be identified using the manual register.
Further, IEBC has appealed the decision of the High Court that ruled that IEBC offended the rights of the independent candidates eyeing the presidential seat.
But there is no such a positive order directing the Commission to clear those aspirants.
The IEBC saying there is no order instructing the electoral body to enlist the independent aspirants as presidential candidates.
The law does not act retrospectively. If it did, then the judge ought to have specifically ordered and directed the Commission to register those persons who did not qualify for want of compliance with those regulations. But there is no such a positive order directing the Commission to clear those aspirants.
On the case surrounding the illegal mass voters transfer, 5 IEBC official suspects have been suspended and handed over to the Director of Public Prosecution.
That identified members of staff who were involved in irregular transfer of voters in regions such as Wajir, Kiambu, Uasin Gishu, Nyeri, and Nairobi.
The IEBC, however, did not clarify whether the anomaly has been rectified. Giverson Maina, K24, Nairobi.